Hello, lady trans lovies. I'm your girl, lady, bringing you your hottest news. Babeswodumo is still appreciating her late husband as she wins back her Instagram page, and she drafts a note to her husband that says, talking about a man who fights for me even on the other side. We all make plans, but God makes the final decision. My Instagram page is back. So everyone is happy here because Babeswodumo wins back her page that was hacked. And she did mention on the show that they had on Showmax that she has lost loyalties, she has lost brands, she has lost a lot because her Instagram page has about like 2.4 million followers, so she needed back that account. So siyamjabulela kuBabeswodumo, and still we know ukuthi uBabeswodumo is still loyal to her late husband Mampintsha. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'm out till next time.